This video will show you how to use the gas property simulation on Phet. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will only be using the ideal selection, but feel free to explore with the other options. So when we start the simulation, you are presented with a box with various gauges and handles that you can play with. The first thing I'd like you to do is turn on the collision counter, so we'll use this in our booklet to discuss how changing variables affects the number of collisions happening. First of all, we'll put some air into the container by pumping the handle on the right hand side. You can then watch the motion of the particles as they fill the container and how they interact with each other, and the walls of the container is what's important about this topic. For the sake of comparison, we'll use the counter in the top left hand corner to count the number of collisions in 1 second. This will allow us to make a comparison when we change certain variables using the simulation. If we wish to change the temperature of the container, we can use the heater or cooler at the bottom of the container. And if we wish to change the volume of the container, we can move the handle on the left hand side of the container. You now have everything you need to complete the activities on page 10 and 11 in your booklet. Remember to make sure that you talk about the speed at which the particles are moving and the frequency with which they collide with the walls, and how that then links to the pressure.